Hi guys, today I will show you how to make a very beautiful paper leaf wall decoration. You can hang it on the wall or the ceiling. When it's done, it will look like this, just like a leaf. So let's see what things we need to make this. We need a scale, scissors, pencil and a glue, and any colored sheet of your choice, a square sheet, and any size square sheet of your choice. So let's get started on the process. So when you have this square sheet, just fold it to make a triangle, and this close part we have to make a very thin line, like this much thin is fine. On the close side it will look like this, and then with the help of scale we have to take measurements of 1 centimeter. As you must be knowing, centimeter is 1 centimeter is this, starting from here to here is 1 centimeter. So we have to make points of equal gaps of 1 centimeters. So let's get started. You can start from either side, this side or that side, it's up to you. So we are starting from here, so let's start to mark 1 centimeters lines. You can put a small dot or small line, light line, small dot, it's up to you. Very light, not dark. Done. And here also we can just put 1 centimeters gap, so it will be easy for me to just make a straight line of 1 centimeters gap. So when the dots are done, just with the help of scale mark straight lines. The pencil, just very light lines of 1 centimeter gap each. We have to do this till the end of this sheet. So we are almost at the end of this making lines process. Then we will do the next part of it. So it's done. Now you will also know why I made this thin line, because when the scissor part will come and will not cut through the end of this. Let's see. Yeah, just leave it till the line, like this, and not cut through this thing. Just leave at the end, just leave it. Just in the middle you can do like this, so it will take its balance and it will be okay then. Just leave it here and take the next, hold it nicely and just cut. Only few lines are left and we are getting to the end of the scissor part. If you follow all the steps and don't skip any step, then you can easily make it. At the end you can just pull it like this and then hold it, and it will be easy for you. So only 2 lines are left. The last line and it's done. So when the scissor part is done, we just need to open it like this. And now we just need to glue. Take the glue with you, and you can take any glue, the white glue. This glue will also work, the white glue, or this one. It's up to you. So I am using this glue. So just take this end side to this end side and just join it like this, end to end. I just joined this part like this, and it's done. And just turn it over, take this line, the next line, put glue at the end of it, take this also the same side from here, take the end and just join them, paste it with glue and just join them. Then turn it over and take the next and put glue, take the same side from here and just take both of them and just put glue and stick each other, and switch the other side and take the glue, take this side, the same side from here, just put glue on the edge, just stick it with, just switch to the other side, take the other side and just put glue, take this side from here, the same one, and let's stick it well, and it's done. Then when I'm done with this, just switch to this side take the side here and just put glue on the tip of it, tip to tip glue and stick, and just press. And this is done. Just switch to next side. Switching and gluing, this is the process here in this art activity. So just put glue on the tip, tip to tip, stick and paste. Switch to next side. Take this strip, put glue on the tip, and that's done. Switch then. So this is the way we make this leaf, and it will really look like a leaf, a very cute leaf. Just switch to other side. And put glue. It's done. Switch and glue. And it's very interesting to make also. It's really nice art activity. You can decorate on any occasion, on any birthday occasion or any party occasion. Switch to next side, this side. Put glue. Just take this tip. It's done. Switch to the next. Put it nicely on the table or any surface you are using. Just switch to that side. Oh, I have to put more glue. That way it will stick better. Yeah, now it's okay. Just press it also. After putting some glue, just pressing is also very important. Glue and just stick it well and press it well, and it's done. Switch to this side. Now it's looking really very nice. We are almost at the end of it. The 3-4 are left to do. Take the next. The same thing. You have to just follow that. Simple. And these smaller areas need more attention. So you don't need to switch here and there. Now you can just put glue by keeping only at one side. Because these areas are really very small, tiny. Glue here and just press it nicely like this, and turn it over. Just put glue and do it like this. And with this one we can keep it like this also, as it is open, or if you want you can put glue also. It's up to you. Anyway it will look nice. So I am putting some glue because I like it to be close, so So I'm putting glue here. So it's done. As you can see. And what you can do, you can attach on the wall by putting a ribbon over here, as I have done with this. I will show you. In this I have attached a ribbon and I can stick it on the wall, on my ceiling with it. And you can also do so. So my 2 leaves are now ready to be decorated on the wall. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel. Please like my videos, smash the like button. Please comment also. And please subscribe to my husband's channel. His channel's name is Rice Analytics. And to my son's channel, his channel's name is Sadiq's World. Bye bye.